Okay, guys, I have 3 toys today. I have another Despicable Me toy, David. Like I said, 3, Gloria. Toy number 2. And another one. I'm gonna open these 3 toys. Take it for you. There you go. I'm gonna open it on the Minion first. Here it is.
It's awesome, right, guys?
Yeah, it's awesome. This guy's a really cool toy. I like him. Now for Gloria. For Gloria to be opened up. I'm going to tell you the code too. Here it is. Gloria, she goes in this thing right here. Right here, see? Okay, and here's the code. Okay, you can pause it and do it. That's that. Here's another Gloria. Yeah. There, just copy it right off there. I'll leave, don't worry, if you can't see the codes, I'll leave them in the description below. Okay. Number 4. Okay guys, that's how it is, so bye.